Hey traders, this is Chris Keene from Keen Point of View, and this is the 1 minute rundown of the Great Britain Pound USD. As we can all see, the Great Britain Pound ever since breaking below the ascending trend line that carried the pair higher for quite some time. The pair has broken down, and now it's moved back all the way to the 50 fib, and this 50 fib is from the move higher from these lows right around the 152.75, 152.30 level up to the 163 level, and the 50 fib it is marked at 157.83, and we also have strong daily price support at 158.20, and this is creating a bull bear line, and it's no coincidence that the pair basically stopped right at this level and now has been consolidating within. What we're going to be watching heading into the new week is for a break above or below this level. A break above this level, and we could easily push back up towards the 160 level in the short term. Our first target would be 59.10. Now if we break back below this level though, we could see a push to the bottom of the fib range, which comes in around 156.60, and it's the 0.382 fib. And then beyond that, we could see a push down towards 155 throughout the week. All right, everybody. So heading into the new week, we're going to watch the bull bear line here between 1.5783 and 158.20, and that's going to price action is going to help us figure out what you can do. If you want to sign up to receive the morning call and our scalp and swing trades for next week, we have a 1 week free trial. Go ahead now. And everybody have a great weekend. Remember, keep your trades keen and play it safe. Hey there traders, this is Chris Keene from KeenPointOfView.com. This is the 1 minute look at the Aussie USD heading into the new week. You can see the Aussie since Wednesday basically broke lower, and it moved all the way down to the ascending trend line that had capped the price action at 104.20. Before gaining any traction, the pair has continued to move lower, and it'll be interesting to see if the cross can finish at this. This is going to be key heading into the new week. If we do get a bounce here, I could see a push up to 104.60 and without even doubt up to 105. But if we remain below this, we could press down to the 50 fib from the move higher at 106 at 103.75, and more importantly down to 103.50, which is the recent move down in the middle of December. All right, everybody. So heading into the new week, we're watching this trend line, and if we get a hold, we're looking to 105. We get down below, we look for a push down to 103.5. Sign up now for a free week of the weekend wrap and the daily Twitter feed, which has my scalp and swing trade recommendations, or at least I explain the setups to you. And everybody, good luck trading. Remember to keep your trades keen and to play it safe. Hey there traders, this is Chris Keene from KeenPointOfView.com, and this is the 1 minute trading plan for the EURUSD to the end of the week. The pair finally found the strength to muster up a break above the a break above the channel that had been capping the price action for the majority of the week. The pair had been stuck between 134 and 132.50, and every move down to 133 found buyers relatively quickly. Well, now that the pair is broken above 134, and it looks like it's going to close there heading into the end of the week, it moves us back up to a cycle move up towards the top of the broader range that we spoke about last week, the top of the range being 135 or the 134.82 level, which is basically the 50 fib from the broader move down from 150 towards 120, and the bottom of the current range is down at 130. Now the question is the pair going to have enough strength to break above the 135, or are we going to see a pullback in the short term? Where we could see a pushback down towards at least the 134 level. That I can't tell you at the moment, but we're going to have to watch the price action at the top of the range to get an idea of what we can look forward to. Now, if the pair does manage to break above this 135 level, then we're going to look for our next target would be the 0.618 fib from the same level, 50 to 120, which comes in around 138.16. But what I would expect is that could find sellers here at this 50 fib, and then find a pushback towards the 133.60, and then if that breaks, we could see a push all the way back to this ascending trend line, which would be around the 132.75 level starting out next week. All right, everybody. So remember, heading into the new week, we're going to watch this 135 level. That's going to give us an idea of where we're heading in this pair, and that would be key. At break above, we're going to look for the 0.618 fib. Break to the bottom, our first target's going to be 134, followed by 132.75. All right, everybody. Good luck trading, and if you want to sign up to get the weekend wrap and our daily updates and Twitter feeds about scalps and swing trades, sign up now for 1 week free. Everybody have a great weekend. Remember to keep your trades keen and to play it clean. Hey there traders, this is Chris Keene from A Keen Point of View, and this is the 1 minute trading plan for the Euro-Yen cross. This pair has definitely been in play over the last 24 hours. The cross basically was just drifting sideways at the 117.50 level, and it looked like it might even threaten to break lower to go towards 116.50. But then last night being Wednesday in Asian, or I guess Thursday morning in Asian trading, the pair broke higher and it had never looked back. It's up almost 200 pips now. What I was looking for today is I thought we had strong resistance here at 120, but the pair has continued to move higher through that. So the next level of resistance we're going to watch is at 120.70, and that is basically the range top that I thought we were going to have with consolidation between 120 and maybe 116.50 or 114 in the bigger terms. But we can look at it as interesting here is that the pair has put in a higher high, a higher higher, and a higher low, and it has continued to do so. So if the pair does break above the 120.70 level, it will look as though we could continue higher towards the 123 level, not in a straight line, but would come back down, but it would probably test the highs above this. The lows would be the newer lows would be above this level. So that's what we're going to keep our eyes open. But you might want to watch the price action right here, the 120.70 level, because if we do get a little bit of a rebuttal, we could definitely see a push back down towards the lower portion of this range, and that would be a signal that maybe we have a top in play here at 120.70. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Let's keep our eyes on this pair because it has been volatile, and again, a lot of pips to be taken from it. Good luck trading. Keep your trades keen and play it clean. Hey there traders, this is Chris Keene from AKeenPointOfView.com. This is our 1 minute trading plan of the USDCAD. This pair has had some interesting developments since we last discussed it on Tuesday, but it has worked out just as planned. You can see we had a strong resistance zone that we talked about between this 0.9940 and 0.9970, and the pair broke above it, and I said yesterday as long as we get a hold above this level, it does favor a move up towards the 1.0040 level, which you can see is the 50 fib basically from the move lower from 1045 to 0.9630, and it also has strong price support that we've had right at this level. We've tested it once before, and we went back historically. We can go back to last year. the beginning of last year. You can see that level just basically contained this pair for about 4 months in the beginning of last year. So there's a fib level and a lot of daily price resistance right there. So it's going to be interesting to watch the price action there, and we could actually get a bounce back down lower. And if we down lower at that level, and if that is still the case, then we could see a push back down, and the first level I'd be watching resistance obviously would be the 0.9970, and if we break back below this level though, I wouldn't doubt that we get a test all the way back to the bottom of the range, because basically the range on the larger scale is between 0.9835 and 1.0040. So basically what we're going to watch is the price action right here at 1.0040 for a hold or a breakthrough. If we hold, we can go short. You can go short looking for a push back down, and the initial target would be 99.70, and then we have to check out the support zone holds once again. If it breaks up to the top side though, watch the 1.1 basically 40, the 0.618 fib. This would be the natural target at that level. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Keep your trades keen and play clean.